Hello everyone, and welcome to the second semester of the 2021 school year. I'm very excited that you decided to take an internship this semester. I just wanted to take a minute to go over the Google Classroom and the expectations of turning things in on a weekly basis. I know some of you have already taken an internship the first semester, so you're pretty familiar, but just a couple of reminders here. So this is my version. A teacher screen looks a little different than the student screen, but this is the stream up here, and all I have in this stream is some of the calendars in case you are looking ahead at days off and things like that. And I also have the bell schedule here for the hybrid schedule. Classwork tab at the top is where all of the important information is going to be. So the first thing that we're doing this week, so this is February 3rd, but this week you should have your internship application and the introduction paper, which you type up on a Google Doc and email to me. Here is the introduction paper instructions, kind of a guideline what to put in first, second, and third paragraph. And it's basically just to get an introduction of who you are to your mentor before they meet you in person. Now, I know some of you already know your mentors, but this is just kind of what we've always done to get you to introduce yourself and some of your goals. So that's the introduction paper. If you're under 18, I do need a copy of your working papers. If you need them, see Mrs. Forbes in the guidance office for those. And then the intern orientation packet is the big packet that I start for you, and then it needs to be filled in by your mentor, signed by you, myself, and your parents, and turned back into me. So that's all the stuff that we should be working on this week to get ourselves started. Then each week we've talked about our journals and time cards. So I've typed up for you the weeks throughout the semester. So just so for you to have kind of an idea. So we're in February 1 through 6. And this is just, I can give you a hard copy of this so you can kind of keep track of your own hours as well if you'd like. But it just gives us the weeks of each week in the semester and then when our breaks are and so forth. Under that will be week 1 throughout. And I'll just keep updating these each week. So it says if you interned week 1, so this week right now that we're in, you're going to fill out the journal. Make sure to fill in your heading at the top. So this is the journal template. If you interned this week, you're going to open this up. You're going to type your name where it says name. You're going to type your internship site. So if you are at a physical therapy office, you would write in wherever you are interning. Then this is just a guideline of what you can include in your journal for the week. So it's one journal entry for the whole week. So if you interned 2 times or 3 times or 1 time, it really doesn't matter. Just summarize basically what you did, if you met new people, any observations or trainings or anything you want here. So this is just kind of a summary of what you did for the week. If you didn't intern this week, you will open up reason I did not intern. And this goes throughout again. So again, your name and your site, and just give me a quick reason why you didn't intern. So this is the first week. A lot of you are just getting your paperwork in order and getting yourself set up. So for this week, it could be as simple as my internship is still in the process of being set up, and that's fine. So each week, you will turn in either the journal entry or the reason I did not attend. And they're always due the following Tuesday. So this whole week, which is the 1st through the 5th of school, I put the 7th just to include the Saturday and Sunday in case some of you work or intern on the weekends. But anyway, they're always due the following Tuesday. So this journal for this week will be due on February 9th, next Tuesday. Same thing with the time cards. Those of you that are in school can drop your time cards off to me. If you are completely remote, you can take a picture and submit the picture of your time card. Please fill out the top of the time card. Again, the whole thing, your name, your site, your week, and put in the specific hours you worked or interned. So like 1 to 3 or 3 to 5 or 4 to 6 or whatever it is you did. And then have your mentor or somebody sign it for you to verify your hours. And then I print out your journal and I have your time card and I staple those and I keep track of your hours for you. Also, each week there'll be one mini assignment to do. These are assigned to you individually, so that's why there's 2 number 1s. Those of you that are first-time intern people, you'll see that your first day on the internship is your assignment. You simply open it up. They're very short and simple to do. And then I have one for the students who have already interned. I have a separate assignment for you to do each week. So again, they're always due the following Tuesday. I have the first few up here so you can get ahead if you choose, but just do them complete as possible. Make sure your name is on them. I do print them. and turn those in each week. I'm always open to come in to ask me questions. Feel free to email me, contact me with questions, whatever we need to do to make this a successful internship experience for you. Also, make sure you are taking pictures as you go along for your final presentation and for your the interview with your mentor and your mentor flyer that we'll be doing later on. You're going to want to get some pictures of that as well. And if they'll let you, even some videos. This is kind of fun to see you in action if you're allowed to take a video. So that's really all I have. Please let me know if you have questions. Remember, this is a pass or a fail class. So there's not a lot of wiggle room for error. I need to make sure you're doing things each week and keeping on top of everything that needs to be turned in to get us started. So have a great day and let me know if you have any questions.